chicken. Sige anak. Since hindi ako kumakagat ng mga ugat-ugat ng chicken, sorry po. Hindi ko talaga kayang kagatin yung ugat-ugat sa kahit anong chicken. I shall give the ugat-ugat to you. You want the ugat-ugat? Okay, anak. I give you the ugat-ugat. Don't tell your dad I'm feeding you on the table. It's not very hygienic. You can have the lited, anak. Lited, anak. Ahal. Spirit animal mo si Cheche. Bakit? Madami ka naging boyfriend? Or you have an epidermis of a pachyderm? You like it, Mina? I share you more. What else is your kwento, guys? That's done. I'm just gonna mix him with the crunchiness on my plate. I love maklo. Now I'm gonna shift to my. Yes, makto pancake. Yes, the best. Oh my God. Kahit nabuhos yung sauce on top, iwanan mo lang siya kahit 1 hour, 2 hours after. I love it. It's so good. Ang harsh mo sa pokpok si Cheche. I'm sorry, hindi siya pokpok. Hindi siya nagpabayad. Ginawa niya out of love. Tess? Pokpok daw si Cheche. Totoo ba yun dati?
Sabi naman. Pati si Cheche pokpok.
How can you say that? She's pokpok. Cheche, are you pokpok from before? Hindi ka naman nagpabayad. You did it out of love. Wala kang TF, hindi ka lumakad. Ano, Mina? Sarap? I'm sure I'm gonna get bashed because I'm eating with my cat on the table. As long as he doesn't eat on my plate. Charot. Kawawa naman. Paano ko susuwayin naman yan? All his life nga, kinawawa lang siya. Binuhusan pa yan ng mainit na tubig sa daan. Nahanap na lang yan. Nakadikit na yung balat niya sa lupa. Tapos hindi siya pwede sa lamesa. Kahit patungan niya yung lamesa ko, there's no problem at all. Kaya mo pa ba, Mina? No. You can't do that in front of everyone. It's our secret. Huy! Hindi ganun yun! Wait! Ayan ka, anak. What else is your chika for me? Okay, last subo kasi inaantok na ako. Hindi mo pwedeng kainin yung buto niyang Mina, ha? Not the buto, Mina. Wait lang. Hinimay ko na. There, oh. Kain na yung buto. Last. Subo. Cheche, you want spaghetti? Share tayo. Hoy! Nako Actually, si Mina mababalunukan na dito. Stop it na, Mina. Okay na yun. Cheche, it's your turn to shine. Share tayo, Che. Share tayo? Share tayo? Gusto mo share tayo? Ay! Nakadata! Ay! Nakadata! Ayan na yung spaghetti! Pero nakadata pa rin! Ayaw ako pagpalit sa pagkain! Ayaw akong palit sa pagkain! Ayaw akong pagpalit sa pagkain! Kain mo spaghetti, oh. Cheche, oh. Ayaw pagpalit sa pagkain. Go eat the spaghetti. Share kami sa spaghetti. Okay, guys. I feel the moment already. Pumutok na yung lason, matutulog na ako. Because I'm hilach day to day. Yes, I feel it. I'm naantok na now. As you can see, nag-watery na yung eyes ko. But I deserve it because for the first time, it is this day 2. For the first time, I have 2 days in a week of rest. Hindi niya kinain. Ayaw niya. I think it's, just don't eat with your dog all the time. Kasi itong mga to, organic na yung food nila. So, minsan, okay lang naman din sila kumain ng konti. As long as you don't give them the bad ones talaga. And then garlic, that's very bad. Onions, very bad. But usually sila, organic beef, giniling, sayote, and carrots, boiled, no salt. Yan ang kanilang diet. Pero paminsan-minsan, ito si Cheche nga, dati semento yung kinakain eh. Diba? Ngayon, ayaw mo na. Pero bad breath ka pa rin. No, hindi pa rin naka-recover, no? No? Hindi pa rin. But her print is brindle. She has a brindle print. Look at the brindle beauty. Her brindle patterns. So beautiful. Are you Miss Tisa? I think you're Miss Tisa. Anyway. Thank you so much for joining me. Si Mina. Yan si Mina. Actually, she was a cat outside and then sinundan niya yung guard ko nung naglalakad papunta sa bahay ko. Tapos nagulat ako na nandun na siya sa bahay ko. I'm gonna get another hives. I'm gonna get another one here. So, nung sinundan niya yung guard ko, sabi ko, sino yan? Ang cute naman yan. Tapos, kala ko ayaw niya pumasok kasi gusto niya lumabas. So, hinayaan ko lang siya sa labas. I lived in a compound before. And then, may walang hiya na hindi ko nalaman kung sino nagbuhos ng mainit na tubig sa kanya. Hi babe.
No.
Hanggang sa dumikit. Okay guys, I'm gonna go